What's up, hog hunters? Welcome back to Single Hook Hogs Fishing, keeping you ready and motivated for trout fishing in Pennsylvania and surrounding areas. It's December. It's not real warm, but it's raining. That's good. Believe it or not, love fishing on days like this, and we're gonna show you why. A lot of people don't like coming out. It can be a hassle. A lot of debris in the water. The water is up. Most fish aren't gonna be biting, but if you hook up to something on a day like this, it's probably gonna be a husker and be a real special memory for you. So don't get scared to go out on those days that aren't so perfect for us. Sometimes they're real good for the fish. But anyway, y'all, what we're running today, Berkley Gulp pinch crawler. There it is. Gonna be running these 2-inch pinch crawlers with that 1/16 ounce Eagle Claw Pro V jig. Take a look at this thing. There it is right there, y'all. Eagle Claw 1/16 ounce Pro V. You saw that probably in a couple of our other videos. But I like these little jig heads. I like them a lot better than the trout magnets because they don't break. That red color there, that's something we just painted. I actually just buy them in the regular lead color and paint them whatever color I want. Get a little model painted, AC more, stuff like that. Maybe we'll do a video on that if y'all want. But yo, these Berkley Gulp pinch crawler 2 inches on that Pro V jig are gonna be our recipe today in this rain. As you can see, the water's up. It's running, it's nice and dark. We're going with some dark colors, a natural color worm, and that dark red headed on that jig, just to get the contrast going. So we're gonna go ahead and get these in the water, hopefully bang some huskers. The gear we're running today is that 5'6" Okuma SST, and that Fluger President XT SP20. Right there it is. Now unfortunately, they don't make any of that anymore, but that is quality piece of equipment. Those Okuma SST old gens, if you can get them on eBay, go for it. And those Fluger President XTs from 2022 and before are fire. That red and silver one, y'all, find them on eBay, well worth it. Fully sealed drag, under $100. Love this reel. We're also running a 10-pound braid hooked up to a 6-pound Seaguar fluorocarbon because we're gonna have a little more stuff in the water, so we want that extra tensile strength, and they're not gonna be able to see it anyway. Stay motivated, keep it tight, y'all. Remember, like, subscribe, share. Got awesome giveaways coming up at 1,000. You've seen the Dragon's Egg. And we got that sick raffle coming up at 500 with those Chad Powell blades. Let's get on the water, y'all. All right, so let's check this out. The way we're gonna rig this up, fat end down at the bottom. You see there's a fat end and a skinny end. Rig it like a regular worm. We're gonna leave a little curl. Watch this. This is the trick. This is what I think gets them, right? All the way up, leave a little curl, and then just sink that jig head. Well, and we can pinch the worm up around jig a little bit, and then just pop that out. Just like that. Just that little curl. Here we go. I'm gonna try to run it right down in front of that log. Get this thing down in there deep. Hopefully a husker takes it. There we go. That was a good cast. That was a good cast, relatively where we wanted it. We're just gonna let it drift down in there, open the bail a little bit, let it get a little deeper, close that bail, let it set. And here we go, y'all. We're about to get hit right now. I won't believe it if only takes on the first one. That'd be crazy. Make sure that drag's set right. We're good, we're good. Let that bail out a little bit, reposition, close it. Little pop, keep it off the bottom. No. Nothing on that one. Nothing on that one. Here we go again. We'll try that again. Cast a little closer this time. Something's moving it. That's current, that's current. Do a little twitch action, see what happens. Oh, I'm snagged, damn. Got it all. Got it all. Oh, we're gonna take a little walk downstream, hit some spots we haven't hit before. All right, y'all, just in case you forgot, that's what it looks like. Now when I'm running this downstream, I gotta keep my rod tip up and keep tension, keep it off the bottom. Oh, because I can feel bottom right there. Or was that a nibble? You can kind of feel the bottom. Fish on, fish on. Oh, I knew it was a nibble. Fish on. Woo! It's a nice brown. Woo-wee, y'all. Look at him jumping. Look at him jumping. Knew we get him. Knew we get him. Woo-wee. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that one. Wow, what a beautiful one. Nice brown. Come on, boy. On the pinch crawler. Ah, there it is, there it is. Right there on the pinch crawler. Look at that. What a beautiful brown. Look at that. Whew. Hey y'all, fish worms after or during storms, you will have success. You saw that beautiful brown. It's cold, it's December. What an awesome fish, man. What an awesome fish. Man. Stay motivated, y'all, and keep it tight and fish the winners. Beautiful fish out here. Another look, 2-inch Berkeley Gulp pinch crawler, Eagle Claw Pro V jig, 1/16 ounce. Keep it off the bottom. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and follow us on that Facebook group, Single Hook Hogs Fishing. Got the Dragon's Egg giveaway at 1,000 subscribers with a bunch of goodies in there, including that Chad Pal 9-inch fillet knife. And we're gonna be raffling off another one of his specials, 4-inch little bird knife at 500 subs. Thank you so much for the support. We'll catch you next time. Single Hook Hogs out.